and welcome to this episode of Al's Garage. We are so close to being done with our 1943 Willys MB project. Now, this video is pretty exciting. It's what I like to call, if we were to compare this project to baking a cake, we have baked the cake, we've put the icing on, and the items in this video are the little flowers that are on top of the icing that are on top of the cake. So we're going to be doing the seal, weather stripping seal that goes on top of the grill. We're going to hit that first because I want to hit that and be able to get in behind here before I put my radiator in. So we'll start with that, then we'll cut to a few of the other things that need to be done, such as the axe and the shovel, putting those in, putting the jerry can on, getting the shifter knob and the boots, those things installed. So a lot of those little extra things. We'll probably throw the seat installation into this as well. I got to put the well, not canvas, but these were finished in like a vinyl leather type stuff. I think it's vinyl, but the seat cushions, we got to put those on the seats, then put those in. So a lot of stuff to do that's kind of that last, fun. That's the stuff you wait for while you're sitting there sanding away and all the dust and the dirt. So it's going to be exciting to get that done and to get this thing finished up. So let's get started with our grill. What do you call that? Grill, welt? Hold on a second. Well, it's killing me. I can't remember the name of this, but it's the little weather stripping that sits on top of our grill here. So we're going to start with that first. Let's do it. Rivet this. Can you say rivet? Rivet?
here.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. I don't need that right now. I am almost ready.
Can you say wrench? Wrench.
All right, Lenora.
Can you take that wrench? Take the wrenches to Daddy.
Thank you.
Get it? Oh, hold on,
That's
hold on.
big.
There you go. Good job. You got it there.
It is big.
Mommy wants.
I don't want them, but don't lose them. Daddy needs those. You better find them all to give them to him.
Other one. Other one.
Yep. He needs the next one. Can you hand the next one to him?
Here you go, Daddy.
There's one more. Where is it? Where's the third one?
Daddy, Nanny found it.
Lenny found it. Good job.
Daddy, seat. Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Lenny.
Mommy. Hey, Mommy.
Ow, ow, ow. Don't put on there.
Daddy has tape on this. Anticipated. That would help. Wouldn't it? There it is. What do you think, huh? Looks pretty good.
Go put Boo Boo back in your room, please.
Daddy. Nanny had it. Nanny had it.
Well, that wraps it up for all of our small accessories that go on this Willys MB, all the non-essential, extra little things that are an important part of a restoration, but don't get the vehicle down the road necessarily. So thanks for sticking with me. We are so close to getting this done. Excited to get this project finished. Thanks for taking the journey with me. If you have seen some of the other videos, if not, feel free to like, subscribe, and all that fun YouTube stuff, and catch some of the other videos on this 1943 project. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.